Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use keyframes for smooth transitions. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you just have to simply import the video and then drag it right here. To start, what you're going to do is you have to simply tap the video, go to basic, and then tap add keyframe. Now, if you want to start from the very beginning, you just have to click that one and then click the add keyframe. Move the playhead to the point where you want the animation or transition to start. Tap the keyframe button to add the first keyframe. Again, drag the playhead forward in time to where you want the transition to end. If you want to change the clip's property to create the effect, for example, if you want to pinch to zoom in or out, drag the move position, use rotation gestures to rotate, you can just basically do it. So CapCut automatically adds a second keyframe here with these new settings. And as you can see while playing the video, I'm adding zoom in and zoom out, and it will automatically add keyframe. You can now preview the result of your video, and then you can change or delete keyframe if you want. And this is the result. Now let's try again another video, and this time it's like a nature type. So I'm going to drag again another video right here, and it's the same thing. If you wanted to start your first keyframe, what you're going to do is click the very first beginning of the video clip and then tap keyframe right here. I'm going to zoom this one in and then let it play again. Try to zoom in. As you can see, it's now adding the keyframe. And if you're going to preview the video, you will see that it is slowly zooming in the video. So thanks to this smooth transition use of keyframe. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.